beautiful. I'm so excited to use velvet on this. It's so soft. Island Wild Atlantic Way from Nomad Cosmetics. Deep green shade called Tame. Small precise ink brush right above my eye crease. Bring it out like that. Mapping where that crease is gonna go. Deepen it a little bit. Flick up just slightly to start the blending process. What the eye look is going to look like. Shade Croak Patrick. Damping right above that green. Blending darkest lightest. Damping, blending it all. I'm not too worried about down here because I am going to put eyeliner there. Shade Wild Rover right above that other green, barely above it. Shade Melon Head above the green, and blend shade Wild Rover around it. The eye here, bring it up to that green eyeliner. These shades are beautiful. Use the green one in the middle, stamping right in the center of the eye. Yellow shade outside of that, to the side of the green shimmer, but not too much. Pop of green in the center. Shade Wild Atlantic Way. And across the eye below that green eyeliner up into that shimmer. Back this shade on under eye. Shade Bunratty Castle. Tapping on the edge of the eye. Annie Boy. Cool Tone Tan. Mara between those two shades, central under eye. With the Anna Crew highlight shade Savage Beauty. How gorgeous are those?